My name is Sharma. I am Executive Director of a company called Deurali Janta Pharmaceuticals. The name which we kept as Deurali Janta is People on the Mountain. As people know that Nepal is a mountainous country, we wanted to have something which relates to our mountains and also the type of living we have. Currently, we have about 325 people working on this company. The company was established about 20 years ago, and we manufacture products primarily on solid dosage forms. We call them tablets and capsules. Also, we produce liquid oral products, which are very common in Nepal. And apart from that, we have products which are also very good in dermatological cares. That means the ointments, the creams are made for the treatment of skin diseases and other conditions. In terms of turnover, let's say the sales volume, we probably are second biggest company in Nepal, but in terms of acceptance and prescriptions, we are the number one company in the country. We are considered to be very quality conscious, producing high quality standard products. The major problem in this country is of infections, so the antibiotics are the main products which we produce. I think the market is growing very healthily for the last 20 years when we started the business. What I have realized is the market is growing minimum by 10% each year, and at good times it went up to about 18-19% each year. So if you look into the type of growth, overall the market of pharmaceutical products growing in the country is quite healthy, comparable to any developing countries. But since we are the country which is not very good in terms of, let's say, having infrastructures for industries, even infrastructures of healthcare delivery system, but in the last 10 years, the change had come really good for healthcare. The expansion of healthcare delivery system within the country is also far good compared to other sectors. So today, all the districts in Nepal, we have about 75 districts. Most of the districts are covered by government as well as private sector healthcare service providers. There are hospitals available, there are clinics available, and at the same time you also need pharmaceutical products, the medicines, to treat the patient. That is where we are playing a very positive role and also expanding the market. So in that case, if you look into the growth, I think it's really growing healthy. Growth of about, let's say, 15-16% each year in last 10 years is considered, it should be considered as a good growth. And the opportunity that has created is that the market has become 3 times bigger in last 13 years. Probably we are looking for working together for expansion of our business on twofold. Number one, we're looking for improvement of our technology, and in that case we can discuss about technology transfer for some of the selected products. And secondly, we are also looking for partnering with companies in Europe where we can produce for them in Nepal at a competitive cost, maintain good quality and export products, and also import products from them which we cannot produce in Nepal, because there are too many new segments emerging in pharmaceutical sectors, including biopharmaceutical sectors. So it's not possible for our country to produce everything. So we need to have an import, a very balanced import, to have the products which we can still market in Nepal. Even if the country is not very big, but 30 million people is not a very small size. I think the beauty of being small, you see, is you have to understand your limitations and develop the technology by which you can manage your production process and also produce products which are good in terms of quality and very competitive in terms of cost. That is where we believe we have the strength. Producing good quality products at a very, very competitive cost is our strength. We can explore avenues in our neighboring countries. Fortunately, we are sandwiched between India and China, the most populous nations in the world. Market is huge. The opportunities for companies established in Nepal to penetrate both the markets are quite open. There are government treaties which gives easy access to the products produced in Nepal to both the countries. Thanks for listening to me if you are listening now, and I encourage you at least to visit Nepal, explore the market potentials, also visit our facility in Kathmandu. You can discuss with us. We are keen to explore business which are meaningful and beneficial for both the organizations, and we are also looking for a little bit long-term partnerships so that the companies in the long run we have a better advantage. Thank you.